Hello, welcome to my channel Flavoring Kitchen, and today I'm going to cook a mixed mutton veg curry. So here I have 1 kg of mutton. I have my dry spices which I'm going to marinate the meat with. It's already chopped, it's already cleaned, washed. So now I'm going to start putting my marination. I have a ginger garlic paste. This is 3 tablespoons. Just put it in the meat. Then I have curry powder, which is 1 teaspoon. I have garam masala, 1 teaspoon. I have red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Salt, 1.5 teaspoon. And my turmeric, which is 1.5 also. I just put all of them together and mix it. Okay, I've just marinated my mutton and I'm going to refrigerate it for 30 minutes. You can either use a cling film or a lid to cover it. So this will go in the refrigerator while I start chopping my vegetables, which will be brinjal and potatoes. You can use any type of vegetable you like to, but I suggest you to use eggplant because it's good for your health also. So this is going in the refrigerator. Now chop my vegetables. This is my brinjals, potatoes, tomato, onions, and my marinated meat is ready. I have some oil over here. I have some dhania leaves here, coriander leaves, carom leaves with mint leaves, chilies, and 2 large onions. I'm going to just throw it inside. Okay, I'm now frying my onions. You have to fry them till they are light golden brown. You don't need to burn them so much. You just keep stirring. Okay, the onions are becoming light brown. I don't want it to get burnt, so I have 3 tomatoes which I've chopped them finely. I'm going to put them inside. And I'll keep mixing till the tomatoes become soft and you get a paste. You make out a paste of it. So I'll just keep stirring till my tomatoes are tender. This is how the tomatoes should be. I've made a paste out of it. So you have to make a paste out of it so it doesn't show that your tomatoes are popping out. I don't like when tomatoes pop out in your food. So I just stir it for a few seconds. Okay. I'm going to put my marinated mutton inside it. Okay, I have a Raiko, which is beef seasoning. It's 1 teaspoon. I have meat masala, 1 teaspoon. I have some methi, fenugreek leaves, which is 1/4 teaspoon. And my mixed herbs, 1/2 teaspoon. So I just need to mix it all up and then I'll simmer it for about 10 minutes till the meat removes its water. So you just keep stirring it. Now I'll simmer it for 10 minutes. I'll leave it till it removes its water. Okay, as you can see, the meat has started removing its water. Let me just stir it. I have 1.5 cup of water over here, which I'll put it in. 1.5 cup of water so that it can tenderize the meat. We don't want to cook it so much because we put our veggies. So let me cover it and I'll cook it for about 15 minutes or so till it's half tenderized. Then I'll add my veggies inside. Okay, now my mutton is already half cooked. As you can see, it's been removing its water. The aroma it smells yummy. Now what I'll do, I'll add some potatoes inside. You can put as many as you want, whether you want a lot or few of it. You need to cut them in a medium size so it can cook up faster. And I'll put my brinjals also. You need to make them in small cubes. Okay. Now I'll just mix it up. Since my meat is half cooked, I just need to I'll just stir it and cook it for about, I think, 15 minutes till the potatoes are ready. What you do is the mutton is boiling, you just need to taste if the salt is enough. If you feel it's less, then you can add more up to your taste. Well, I didn't need to add salt in mine. So now I'll just cover it and let the potatoes and brinjals cook. Okay, it's been 5 minutes now. You can see it's boiling up. What you do when you add the vegetables, after 5 minutes you stir and you taste if the salt or the your spices are okay, because sometimes after you add vegetables your salt or the rest of the spices become less. So I'm going to taste mine. Okay, mine are perfect. My salt and my other ingredients are okay. I don't need to add anything on top. Or what you do, if you want it more spicy, you add your chilies and your garam masala and all. But if you want it mild, then you don't need to add. So my salt and my spices are okay. I'm just going to now let it cook till it becomes gravy. Okay, the potatoes are already ready. The brinjals, as you can see, the stew, it just needs to thicken up, and with that I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, which will make it thicken and yummy gravy. You just mix it. Okay, now you just leave it for a few minutes to boil. The tomato puree will make the curry heavy, and then it's ready to be served. The aroma is really nice, smelling nice. Okay, once the gravy thickens up, you can serve it with rice, with puris or with rotis, as far as your gravy is nice. If your gravy hasn't thickened up still with the tomato puree, you can add more. Or if you want it light, then it's okay. Well, mine will boil and it will become thick. Okay, my mixed mutton veg curry is ready. I am serving it with some rice and zira rotis. So I'm going to serve myself. I'll enjoy it. It's my favorite dish. I hope you guys try it and enjoy it also. Let me serve myself. If you do enjoy it, please give it a huge thumbs up, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. So I'll have this. Bon appetit.